Hey guys, I know for this week we're doing a Google tour idea and like something that we could use as a teacher to use or like a lesson plan or something that we can implement Google tour into. And for mine, just having a little background, like I want to be a childhood teacher, like childhood education and stuff. So, but my main goal would be third grade, like I would love third grade and everything. So obviously I'm dealing with younger kids and everything. So I would really like to touch upon like the geography of places and like what places like have in them and everything, like famous places around the world. Like what's like in China, what's in the US, what's here, what's there. I would just like to really like help these kids like experience the outside world and everything and really like, learn what's out there and see what's out there. And that's exactly what I did here. Um, This file is literally just called USA. So what I was thinking of doing with like a lesson idea would be, would I would take like go like different countries at a time, different places and everything, and work on them one at a time instead of like mashing them all together. Probably like confusing the kids and everything because they think one place is somewhere that's not. So instead of this, I would make lesson plans for like each place and everything. So like for this one, I made the USA, and it's just like little lessons, plans, and everything like help you learn like right around you, like the cool, like really cool things that are like out in the world and everything. So this one, yeah, is obviously. So I made this one called Niagara Falls. This one's Niagara Falls. So I love this movie. I don't know about it. Yeah, so there's that. So we go to Niagara Falls, we got the Grand Canyon, the Statue of Liberty. And so as you can see that like I just went through and kind of picked places within the US that are very popular, like places that are like well known and that kids should just know for like within their life and everything. And that's what my lesson plan would be with the rest of it. Like it's the Santa Monica Pier, just really like largely popular places, like well known places and everything, just so kids can start getting like familiar with like the places around them and different ways the world acts, like how because not every country, not every place is the same as well too. So it would be cool to see like what is considered big and popular in the US considered what is like big and popular in like China or India or other places. So that's basically my idea. I think this would be like such a fun lesson plan and everything because I mean I think we will really we can literally bring the kid right there to the place and that's fantastic. Every way we can get just have this mental image in their mind and they'll be able to see it like firsthand and explore it and stuff. Like yeah, they won't be able to explore it like in person, but like this is way better than anything I was able to experience when I was growing up. Like we just had like little pictures and books and everything. And half the time I feel like the pictures weren't good enough. But this is like fantastic. You can see so much. You can scroll around and get the whole 360-degree view and everything. And I think like geography lessons and just lessons on like teaching kids the world and everything, especially younger kids, like this would be so much fun and this would be great. You could just bring them into the moment and they can really just get a personal experience and see what they're really learning